Hi, my name's Ryan Marquis from CW Shasky and Associates. The job I do now is I work with multi-unit chains across the country, and we show them ways that they can actually use our brands. But some of the things that we offer as well is a way that they can actually save money. Part of that is the VITO. So what happens is the VITO is a filtration system that actually takes all the carbon out of the oil, which one makes your food taste better, makes it present better, and at the same time taste better. When I was in the hotel industry, and I worked in the hotel industry for about 20 years, I've been using the VITO for about 10 at 4 different hotels I was at. We used to save upwards of 50% by volume. If you're looking at even 50% cost by using the VITO, you can actually get numerous days out of your oil. Versus, let's say you get 2, now you can get normally 4, depending on what your usage level and what you actually use it in. I tell you, I will never open another kitchen without having a VITO.